Okay, for example, guys, here I'm having a class, okay, CLASS class B, and here just I'm trying to write string s like this, and just like that, leave that. Okay, now main method in class B, new class B like this. Why I'm getting an error? Why I'm getting an error? Guys, in constructors, I told you a point. We need to initialize the object with the available constructors present in your class. Did you remember that point? It is there in the key points, guys. Okay, come on, yeah, you need to, that's what. Okay, 7 o'clock. Where is this constructors topic? Where? 14th April, I guess. What is the first point, guys? We need to initialize the objects of a class with the available constructors present in the, that is the first point, right? So what I'm trying to say is, in scanner class, in scanner predefined class, you are having a parameterized constructor, and that parameterized constructor will accept system.in as a parameter. Sir, what is this system? System is a class. Sir, what is this in? In means input stream. We are giving the data, we are giving the input, right? Come on, guys, yes or no? So it is going to accept that input. So input stream, system.in. All right. So still we are getting an error. Yes. Why we are getting an error? Scanner class is present in which package? Answer. Scanner class is present in which package? Java.util. Class A is present in which package? com.pack1. So what we need to do, guys? We need to import. So please check this. import import java.util.scanner, scanner, scanner, like this. java.util.scanner. Now our error got resolved. Now guys, which method will accept integers? Which method? Just now I told you. What is the method name? Next int method. So here sc dot next int. Can I write like this? Guys, come on here. Next int method, guys, whenever you are saying a method, I told you it should be having a return type. Yes, return type. The return type of next int method is int. Return type of next int method is int. So please check this. Int first, first number equal to, can I write like this? In the same manner, I'm trying to ask the user to enter second number. Here also I'll be using int, okay, sc dot next int method, like this, equal to int second numbr, second number, like this. I'll do one thing, guys, just let me try to create this in the starting here. First number and second number. Now system.out.println first, just first number, plus first number. I'm just displaying, guys. I'm just displaying system.out.println second number plus second number, like this. Just one more. User entered, user ENTERD, user entered like this. And after that, system.out.println, ADDITON, addition, plus, can I write like this? First number plus second number. Let me try to execute AOBJ dot method 2. I'm just going with method 2 also. Let me try to keep method 1 in comment. Directly I'm going with method 2. Now right click, run as Java application. Now method 2. Guys, did you observe here? Please enter first number, and the cursor is waiting there. Why it is waiting? It is waiting to give the input. Yes, I am giving the input as 99. If I press enter, what will be happening? You know, this 99 will be accepted by this next int method, and it will return the same 99 which will be stored inside first number. Are you understanding me, guys? Once again, if I press enter, what will happen? Next int method is going to accept this 99. Next int method is going to accept this 99, and the say concentrate guys. Next int method is going to accept this 99, and the same 99 will be returned by this next int method, which we are storing in this first number. After that, please enter second number also will be printed. Please check this. I'm pressing enter. 3, 2, 1, enter. Now, what is the value of this first number? Come on, 99. Okay. Now, please enter second number. I'm trying to enter my second number as 1. If I press enter, what will happen? This 1 will be accepted by this next int method, and it will be storing inside this second number. After that, user entered, first number will be printed, second number will be printed, and addition value also will be printed. Please check this. 3, 2, 1, enter. User entered 99, second number, and addition is 100. Am I clear with this, guys? Do me a favor, please have this program in your notes, and tomorrow also we will be trying to discuss some more programs on this scanner class, guys. I discussed only about one method. Only about one method. There are some different other methods are there in scanner class. We'll be trying to discuss them in our tomorrow session. Please have this. Please have this. Okay, Mahavir, can you please wait, buddy? Saiteja, if you want to give 100 numbers as an input also, we can use this. We can use this. We should not be using loop. If you are using loop means there you are not giving input directly from the keyboard, right? Scanner class is used to take input from the keyboard. Shri, you can give. Kindly please check. Venkatesh, I believe you have joined lately. It's already completed. Remember, system.in means in is a input